Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? How's your... Today's Tuesday already. How's your Tuesday morning, guys? Mhm. Good morning, guys. I hope you had a nice Monday yesterday. Trading day yesterday, because yesterday wasn't bad. Especially, okay, PM session was bullish, but for some magical reason, they consolidated. Guys. So I decided to take a break yesterday from streaming. So it was on my laptop only. So yesterday PM session, I'm not going to lie, was bullish, and I was like, what's the problem to go higher to previous week high level? I mean, I don't understand this stupid consolidation. But in reality, there was time distortion. We broke below distortion low and continue going higher during Asia. So shorts did not work again. So I'm not even surprised to see this. Is it true you can see only with you one eye? Yes, that's true. So on gold, still would like to see slightly higher, 33.71. So slightly higher CL. It's already play out setups that I was looking for, and that's it. So on gold, I'm once again I'm interested to move slightly higher, like 5 points higher will be nice to me. So basically, what I saw, we got, where's my demonstration tool? We got reaction from hourly fair value gap sweep. 5-minute order block was offered just now. I didn't use this, but I was watching this 5-minute fair value gap. So as reaction, so would like to see slightly higher. So let's see if we go to 33.71. I'm only asking for $4 higher, please. So you bullish or bearish on gold? Share with me, guys. Where you would like to see gold? I would like to see like conservative level 33.71. But maybe slightly higher. So we have daily bullish and gold. Yeah, maybe slightly higher. Like, what's the price for this level? 33.78 maybe, which is daily OB. Yeah, let's see. On CL, we inside hourly order block. So if I want to long, I will long from this order block on 1 hour chart. Tuesday high of the week. Yeah, maybe. So if it wants to reverse right now on ICL, I will look for the reversal inside this area. Just need to have set up for this, maybe 5-minute inversion, something, like we inside OTU, this range right now. With the trace to hourly OB, I know, like look at this flower sweep right here. Look at daily candle. Yeah, kind of tricky. So kind of hard to say what kind of a candle it wants to be, because like we're at the middle of nowhere, just looking at this daily candle. But as long as inside this hourly OB, I would like to see higher. Just praying for setup, so I don't want to trade a CL today. So on gold, still would like to see higher, as I said before. So move not completed just yet, in my humble opinion. But I would like to highlight OB, 5-minute OB. So I traded Asia, guys. So I'm not like interested in trading like at all today. But I mean, I am session. But let's see. Good morning, guys, who just joined. Good morning. So if it wants to retrace, I will accept retracement to this blue line, which is 5-minute OB. If it really wants to retrace, maybe something like this. And my mouse lagging for some magical reason. And I charge this night. And Q. Yeah, I'm ready to cheat on NQ, so especially during AM session. I just don't like this anymore. So PM, I don't like PM, looks amazing, brilliant, even like Asia sometimes, but AM session, not really. So we retrace to this 5-minute OB. I was looking for internal sell side, but once again, I see zero setups just yet, like zero interest right now on shorting. Inside market maker buy model on high time frame. That's it. So that's it. Guys, how are you? How is your morning? So once again, on NQ, I'm just watching, you see my eye icon right here. I'm watching internal sell side. Since it's still trying to respect 5-minute OB, why I keep saying 3-minute OB? Who knows? Like, what is going on? 50% of this 5-minute order block, just give us a move slightly lower. If not slightly lower, then yes. So basically, we'll get SMT. Yes, we'll drop all the way down to London low. If no reaction from daily OB and internal sell side liquidity. That's all I wanted to say, guys. So ideally, once again, I would like to see this. If not going to give us any reaction, I would like to see this. Yeah. I'm just not sure about this part just yet. Just yet. But we'll see. Crystal ball, it's... See this? Right this. No, it's right here. You cannot see this. Probably. Let me... See this? Great decoration tool. My funded futures or epics. You mean which is better? My funded futures. My first place, my winner is my funded futures, obviously. So guys, not done yet. We're still trying to just respect daily OB. I don't really like this. So need to go to sell side right here, which is internal once again. You like epics better. You know, it's like personal preference. I also trade epics, absolutely in love with this. I don't drink, by the way, any soda, like at all. But let's see if we drop to 811. Let's see if we trade something. Absolutely don't like any setups just yet. That's annoying sometimes. Feels like not worth it just yet. Kind of no interest in this just yet. That's just one setup I see, like reaction from first presented. Pretty much consolidation over here and balanced leg. Oh yeah, nothing to do on 1 minute chart anymore. Yes, struggling, but once again, I would like to see slightly lower on NQ. Once again, I'm not sure about this pair just yet, but internal sell side seems obvious level to me. Like, yeah, let's see. I'm going to delete this just for now. Doesn't really make sense. I mean, it's OT. Okay, it makes sense. Just it's OT. But honestly, expected to see just a bit more discount. Guys, what is your plan right now? You're bullish? You're bearish? Huge overnight range. I have zero interest in trading in Q, honestly. So right now I'm just waiting for possibly the trace one down on gold inside this area over here. This is what I'm waiting for. And looking for any set. If it wants to be a reaction from hourly OB on CL, I will long, but it's not reaction just yet. Nothing significant happened yet. Get me a 30-minute chart just to see what is. It's not really sweep. No, nothing to do yet. Just yet. I'm not because I was looking for trade on CL and it was kind of tricky in my opinion, like right here. And I missed a short, so that's a bit annoying to me on CL. Yeah, I would like to see slightly lower, but see how it's struggling right now. So yesterday I realized, like, during PM session I was waiting for long to previous week high level, and I realized, like, if I was sitting in front of my computer and was waiting for this long, like in my office, happy I didn't do this. So I could spend 6 hours just watching how candlesticks moves. Imagine sit 6 hours on your butt and watching nothing. Consolidation. So I'm so happy I decided to spend my time on something more useful. And I longed Asia. But honestly, yesterday PM session was ugly. Like, yeah, really, imagine to sit on your butt for 6 hours and do absolutely nothing inside this consolidation. You're trying to short and discount, you stopped out on premium. For example, you're trying to long on premium, you stopped out in discount. I wasn't even at home. I decided to spend my time on something more useful. Yeah. Tomatoes. I don't, if I see consolidation, guys, it doesn't mean like it's not tradable. I don't trade it. Simple as that. So once again, I just looking at different instruments to trade. That's it. Struggling, so I will keep my eyes on this internal sell side anyway. And that's our chart. Yeah. Let's see. Because I'm bullish today on NQ overall. Yeah, I got alert during Asia and I was like, no, 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 you're not gonna miss this. Because I felt like yesterday it will be like now or never, you know? Once again, I'm bullish today. I would like to see like overall higher, but I really want to see like more discount, like this. But it's okay, so that's fine. Absolutely fine. The inverted first presented fair value gap. Gold still struggling, so doesn't want to retrace to 5-minute OB, but target remains higher. Once again, I have 2 levels higher, which is like potential 2R from this fair value gap. And daily or weekly. Daily OB, I believe. 3377.80. Well, guys, share with me something interesting. I hope no one blew account yesterday. So mentioned before, until I would like to long from this 1 hour OB, I just don't see lots of information right now to long this. Just for me, I don't really like this sweep. It's not sweep, but good reaction. Closure above 50% of hourly OB, basically above mean threshold. I will try probably to use projections right now to see any targets because my next target like $2 higher. It doesn't make any sense to aim for that level just for now. Well, maybe 66.15. I was done yesterday before 10 a.m. like overall. And right after this, it was shit price action. I don't even understand how people even trade it, honestly. Once Friday high taken, I was like, that's it. Nothing to do here anymore. I'm only annoyed with this huge 5-minute, potential 5-minute OB. I hate when we have like lots of down close candles for bullish order block. It always makes the stop loss so big. That's always annoying, so it makes sense to wait for the tracement if we get OB. So basically, I'm waiting for the closure above this blue line. Oh, let's see. You serious? What's going on? What is going on? Like, seriously? So once again, I'm looking for internal sell side at 811. So biggest discount, if you're new user with my funded futures, I mean, you never ever try this, you will get 50% off on any account. But if you existing user, you had account before, you can get 25% on any account, but you cannot get this on starter account. So basically you can get starter plus, expert, what kind of the account have for a straight to funded. I don't remember how it calls, but you will get 25% off, but not on starter account. What is this? Trump is going to speak today? What time? Why didn't I see this? Because I was checking this morning like red folder news, I didn't see any. Okay. 4 p.m., right? And why it says like it's going to be orange folder news? You serious? I would say Trump Twitter, it's like red folder news, but speech, it's even more than red folder news. Why they highlighted this as a media impact? Well, it is the first presented fair value gap. A bit right now annoying on gold. Because 5-minute order block was offered with this displacement, so just longing this 5-minute OB makes zero sense in my opinion. Well, they will go here. Maybe they will even can go here today, like another like $10 move higher. Yeah, exactly. It means it's on color. Exactly, right? That's funny. You mean, oh, overall I call this distortion. So basically distortion is consolidation, and normally distortion consolidation is second stage of market maker model, like second stage of reaccumulation, second stage of redistribution. And when we inside consolidation, once again, consolidation can be just a couple of candles, like 3 candles, but it's going to be like move like consolidation once again. So nothing is going on. And how you can trade this consolidation, I don't recommend to trade inside consolidation. So if it's market maker buy model, you have to wait for break below consolidation. So if we're breaking below consolidation, distortion low, and only after this we can long. And I explained this in my market maker model video. So in order to trade this distortion, for example, for market maker buy model, you're waiting for the break below distortion and you enter at inversion fair value gap. That's it. So I don't see any other options to trade consolidation just for me personally. So basically it's going to look like this. So consolidation, and lots of people trying to trade inside this consolidation, which is stupid to do. If you like just trading from discount to premium, from premium to discount as scalp, that's fine. I'm not going to argue about this. But let's say it's market maker buy model. You're waiting for the break below distortion low. It's going to be like AMD. So you will enter at inversion right here. So for example, why I longed yesterday on NQ, let me show you. Just quick example. Lots of examples like this, but anyway. So for example, distortion. We broke below distortion low. We don't have inversion on 1 minute, on 2-minute chart, but I believe we have on 1-minute chart. So my long, oh, it's Sunday. Let me show you my long. It was over here. So here's the distortion, guys. Nothing is going on. We broke below distortion low. It offered inversion, just long this. Exactly same happened. I mean, I longed yesterday before 10 this 2-minute OB, but idea is distortion. We broke below the distortion low. I believe 1 minute has inversion, but I long this 2-minute OB because it was my model, like 2-minute model, long. AMD. Distortion is just another AMD, like always 99% of the time. Right now we have distortion, but I would say like it's broke below distortion, low and high. Hello, seek and destroy. So nothing to do right here just for now. But once again, why I speak about this quickly right now, I explained this in my market maker buy and sell model video. Just go on my YouTube and you will find this. Not done yet. So I still would like to see higher. So we got 5-minute change in the state of delivery on CL, and since this order block was with displacement, so it makes zero sense in my humble, just for me, to do this. Like 30 cents stop loss, not worth it. Like, yeah, not worth it. Sorry, guys. Where's my mouse? Oh, it's right here. I love in Q. Mm-hmm. That looks amazing. Obviously, easy to trade. Look at this. Brilliant price action. Once again, I'm just waiting for the retracement lower. Ideally, since it's did not finish 2-hour move, just give us a retracement. Be kind. Hey. Okay, I'm not going to just look at this all the time. I will set alert in case it may retraces to this level. It's good for, yeah, no hate, come on, absolutely fine. If you enter the trade and already think like it's going to be stop loss, something wrong with your psychology, trust me. Think about your win, not your loss. Like, yeah. Yeah, set alert. Like you set like line like this, then alert. You don't need to sit on your butt and wait for like in front of your chart 12 hours or 20 hours a day to see how candlesticks move. So the test of previous week high on ES overall. Still staying above daily open. This is bullish signal in my opinion. So we have New York midnight open slightly higher. I believe if it's going to stay above daily open next 10 minutes, we'll go to New York midnight open on ES. So it's still 9:52. For some reason, I felt like it's already 10. Why? Now, let's see what we have for projections. Let's switch on 1 minute chart. Hard to find right now good projections. Probably this one. Okay. First standard deviation close to Asia high. 2 and 2.5 sitting at previous day high level. I'm sorry, guys. So basically right now it's stuck at the range between 2 and 2.5, and it's already retraced to the range between 1 and 1.5. Usually this means if it wants to be bullish, it must be straight move up to 4 standard deviation. Just consider standard deviation as like main targets. Yeah, I mean, like, no trades yet. I'm just looking how it is expected to minute OB. But once again, invalidation of M2 model is distortion. It's distortion. That's why I highlighted this, just to see if this distortion setup, M2 setup, offered to R. It's not yet. You know, you said high time frame is bullish. That's absolutely right. But we have but because high time frame inside consolidation. So even if it's bullish, totally possible to see break below consolidation low first, right? Just it's so hard, really. It's so hard right now to say, just talking about NQ, when this break will happen, if it's happen like at all. Overall, before setup happens, like before, let's say before like 2 minute OB, it's already must be consolidation, and it was. Oops, guys, I'm sorry. Like this. Look at ES, like it's meme coin. What I opened, like random chart like this. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like this, like random chart. See, there's lots of volume imbalances. What? Even on the 5 minute chart. Oh, no trades yet. Just yet, no trades. I was looking on CL. Just going higher. I mean, like, annoying. So on CL, I know, like, probably dream about this retracement too long. Why I was waiting for this retracement, I already explained. So basically, OB on 5 minute chart offered with displacement. So this makes stop loss, potential stop loss huge and risk reward huge. Best market to trade in your opinion, NQ last for sure. I know, like, CL looks. I'm not going to say like who is going to be in first place and second place. Totally depends on the day. I would say sometimes gold is going to be garbage and Q is going to be amazing. Sometimes gold is going to be amazing, while Q is going to be garbage. So I would say it's totally depends. So that's why, let me. How can I move to show you? Let me see. You cannot see this, right? So let me take screenshot to show you. So on my chart, TradingView, my mouse is lagging right now. Come on. So my chart looks like this. So top of my screen, as you can see, I'm just jumping between instruments. I have NQ, gold, CL, silver, HO, basically SMTB, CL, and SPX. So I'm jumping between charts in case I need to see something. So I'm not going to just look at ES or NQ, right? So I'm going to keep my eyes on different instruments. So I'll just see what's the price right now and would like to act accordingly. You said consolidation. You mean like Friday is going to be expansion, right? Who knows? So I would say last 4 weeks, weekly profile is simply consolidation. So that's why it's so hard to anticipate, like if it's going to be like high of the week, Tuesday high of the week, or Wednesday reversal. I stopped doing this because let's be honest, it's hard. to say, even like right now, if it's going to be high of the week today or not. It's still hard to say. Uh, you cannot compare gold and CL. It's like two different instruments. Just you know what you need to do every single morning. It's not going to take like lots of time. It's going to take like 15 minutes. Just open, like, let's say you want to check in QES, YM, gold, and CL, just 5 instruments, and create quick pre-market plan what you would like to see on each instrument. It's not hard. Once again, you must understand what you just looking, for example, on high time frame, bullish, bearish. Okay, I will look for low time frame entry and set alerts. If your alert is, let's say you got alert on, I don't know, like on silver, you're going to long silver. You're going to, no, you're not going to like trade in Q, gold, CL, and any other instruments anymore. You're going to trade silver only. It's not that hard to prepare pre-market. You mean like you need to prepare your pre-market plan every single day. So I do this for ES and Q daily. So it's not that hard to add like gold, CL to my arsenal. Yeah. So guys, name for indicators, you clearly can see this right here. So I keep this open so you don't need to ask me, just go and look at indicator section. So for example, this morning I woke up, I was checking CL. I said I would like to see a long on CL of 15-minute OB, but first I would like to see the retracement down like this, then continuation of long. That's it. So both setup play out. On gold, it did not play out yet, but we just touch, that's amazing, we just touch 5-minute OB. Let's see what we can do inside this 5-minute OB just for now. Yeah, I tried a bit different model on gold and CL. I will record the video about this, but it's going to be very simple, just trust me. You know, I'm not ready to compare YM with NQ and ES because yesterday, while ES and Q were going higher, what happened on YM? It was just drop, hard drop. So, you know, it's still hard for me to use YM as SMT. But just trade YM ignoring SMT with ES and Q is fine. I would say it's okay. Yeah, YM is different. I also notice this. I mean, okay, looks ugly as well, right? Just for now. Let's analyze this real quick. Let's do top-down analysis because I didn't check YM for a long time. Overall, it's so. I mean, of course you can just set indicator for SMT, but once again, I don't really trust SMT with yes and Q for some reason. Seems like we got for sweep as well. Also trying to inspect this OB right here. I like this hourly sweep. So basically we got hourly sweep, and I know like YM feels more bullish right now than in QNES. But let's see. Guys, what do you think about YM? You want to short this? Because for some reason it feels like more bullish just for me. Okay, 5-minute chart looks ugly, unfortunately. I know, like, Kind of, I would like to see just slightly lower on YM. Just I don't like this 5-minute OB because we got swing high right here. It makes this. Oh, never mind. It's not 5-minute OB. It's my bad. 5-minute OB is right here. We just got this. Okay. It's my fault. I'm sorry, guys. Kind of. Maybe. Guys, what do you think about this? Just for YM. I know lots of people trade YM. I know 5-minute chart looks absolutely garbage right now because we got lots of volume imbalances right here. Yeah, we got minor SMT seems like with NQ just for now. We got 5-minute OB. We got the closure below even the swing low with this. It's not, I'm lying, it's not closure. We didn't get the closure just yet below this level, but still feel like I would like to see internal sell side taken, as well as I was looking exactly the same garbage price action on NQ. Exactly same move on NQ before, like internal sell side, right? Yeah, by the way, I posted on Twitter about like why people stuck at NQ, and one guy said like, don't trade between 9:30 and 11. I was like, that's so smart to say this. Just don't trade AM session. Look at this price action. See how this smells? Feel this? Oh, smells like a shit right now. Amazing. Yeah, next month I will steam PM session. Yeah, next month in July. Just once again, I fixed my schedule a little bit, but I will be able to do this in July, starting from July. I said July, not June. I said June. No, I said July many times, I believe. July, no, next month. I said next month 100%. If I said June, this is mistake. Probably mistake. But July in 2 weeks. Sorry about this. June? July, guys. Why I said June? In 2 weeks? July in 2 weeks. Come on. Like in 2 weeks is going to be July. Sorry about this. My fault then. Oh, I trade Asia session like maybe one time in 2 months. Like it's like just when it's extremely stupid PM, most likely Asia will be nice. But oh yeah, you invited my birthday exactly. So yeah, guys, next month in July, not June, July. I'm going to steam PM session in July. 2-3 times a week. July. It has L, July. Come on, CLD trace for us. Also, I will keep my eyes on this small 5-minute OB. Hard to call this OB, like retracement. Oh, gold. Yeah, forgot about this. Something happened on gold? Okay, we retraced to 5-minute OB right now. So let's see how we hold 50% of this OB. So right now we tested 50% of order block. So obviously I'm not going to just blend along this. Let's see. We have, I don't really see any signs of just good short setup on gold just yet. Let's see how we can respect 50%. Funny to see this, like, what's the high of this candle? 70.4. It was like 60 cents away. So yeah, guys, I opened gold right now on my another screen. Going to keep my eyes right now on this. So let's see how we can respect 50%. Yeah. To trade something right here. So I kind of no interest right now in long in gold. On CL, yes, I have interest in continuation higher, just from somewhere from here. I don't see like such a huge retracement just for now. Let me move this like this. Since it displays a lot, so maybe like this. Let me open YM right here. It's just so funny to see this price action. Feels like, you know, like it feels like a joke, guys, recently. So I trade almost 4 years, and I'm not going to lie. In my trading career, I never ever saw this kind of IM session. Never ever. Even bank holiday looks better than it looks like right now, last 4 weeks. What? What? Okay, still wallet setup right here. So nice. Yeah. So in July, I will start streaming PM session. In July. Such garbage. It cannot even move like 60 points. Imagine. About nothing to tell about my model simply because I already shared the video about this. You know, I'm not going to stream my PM session every single day. It's going to be 2-3 times a week. Like maybe Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday, Wednesday is going to be AM session. But I'm going to stream like 2 sessions during the week. Like just we will see. Not sure about exact days of the week for PM session. 2 or 3, I don't know. I don't know, like maybe 3 times, maybe like I know, like I don't know yet. But at least 2 times a week. Oh yeah, actually I already shared the screenshot. So markets that I'm keeping my eyes. Let's do like this. So it's going to be these 4 markets, like gold, JC, CL oil, silver, and HO. And so basically for this I use SMT with silver. For CL I use SMT with HO. So that's why I'm keeping my eyes on 4 instruments. Like in reality, I will trade only gold and CL. 5 times. I cannot. No, don't lie right now. I didn't say 5 times. I cannot say this. Oh, 10, exactly. Yeah, I could say I could say 10. Yeah, exactly. But working on a new video, guys, just video about how I trade gold and CL. Just will share separate model for this. It works on NQ as well, but with huge stop loss for some reason, like 60 points. I don't know because it's 5 minute chart probably. But I will share how I trade in CL and gold. But you can apply this for any instrument. Just will share how I trade this on CL and gold. Yeah, working on this video. Hope to record this next week. I hope so. I already covered this on. Did I stream on Friday? No. Or yes. Did I stream on Friday? Come on, Dasha, what's wrong with you? I hope so. I explained this, I guess, on Friday. You know, I was trying to use RB for as SMT with CL, but I found like HO, where is HO, moves pretty similar to, I know, like to CL. Like, I don't know, like I use SMT with HO, but once again, RB is fine as well. I know, like HO, in my humble opinion, moves pretty similar to CL. Like, you can use this RB as SMT, I believe. But I remember when I asked, lots of people told me, like, Dasha, use HO for SMT. So I will use HO for SMT. Yeah. So, guys, I don't know what I even need to ask. I want to ask about who long right now on NQ, but then I changed my mind asking this stupid question. So close to the trace to my level. Silver. Honestly, silver left some important sell side lower. Sell side liquidity lower because market maker sell model right now. I traded Asia yesterday and I didn't touch New York IM session at all. Because, guys, compare like what happened in Asia over here and what is going on so far. And that's not even 1 minute chart. Look at 1 hour chart. I want to cry about this price action. Because that's garbage. But anyway, 2 minute model this long right here, as I mentioned before, just part of distortion. That's why I kind of no interest in trading this. If I had evaluation, I would try with evaluation this long in my evaluation, but I don't have it, so don't want to try and fund it. But simply because I know based on my backtest and my my losing trades, most losing trades inside distortion. And here's distortion. That's why I don't really want to just try this just for now on funded accounts because just most of the time I lose in this distortion. If I can avoid taking stupid trades, I will do this. Unnecessary losses, you know. Most of the time I trade before 2 p.m. So most of the time I don't trade PM silver bullet. I trade around 1 p.m. Mostly done at 2. Sometimes I just still in trade when it's like silver bullet, but most of the time I'm done before 2. Ask ICT. If ICT going to visit us, we can ask him together. So, I mean, guys, if you see set up right now to trade in Q or ES, go for it. So I'm not going to stop you. I'm not going to even say like if it's bearish or bullish. If you see this as bullish, so go for it. Once again, I'm not going to tell you like it's wrong, because once again, if you're good in trading consolidation, I'm so happy for you, because I'm not. Pum, 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 pum. Okay. Such a brilliant idea. Long one account, short another account. So I'm not going to create model to trade chop. Once again, no reason for this. YM. Honestly, YM still inside 5-minute OB. I kind of would like to see YM lower once again. I know, like, maybe I'm wrong. Just kind of would like to see lower on YM. What do you think about this? Oh no, you know, when I stream, it's good to talk. As you can see, I finish at 11, so I don't talk a lot, like less than 2 hours. So it's interesting to talk with you guys. You ask good questions, so I'm here because of you. I know lots of people sit for 2-3 hours, but I'm not going to do this. Normally, I finish at around like 10:50, 11. My stream's not too long. I can do PM session in June, unfortunately, because I have kids and they have classes. Unfortunately, I simply cannot do this in June, unfortunately. That's why I said I'm going to do this in July. That's it. Oh, my kids have classes. They have hockey classes. This is what I meant. Sorry, guys. Oh, by the way, who watched the game yesterday? Who watched the game yesterday, guys? Panthers. Yeah, I saw Panthers. Yeah, I was watching their game. It was crazy game. I never seen that before, honestly. It was crazy, right? Yeah, I'm just having fun right now with you guys. Okay, Dasha, calm down, calm down. I record the video, so guys, about how I trade gold and CL. I hope you're going to trade this as I do before market open. You will be done for the day, so you don't need to waste your time on AM session anymore. So I'm almost done with presentation, so it will be a straightforward model. I hope it's going to help you. So this is how I trade gold and CL, and this is why most of the time I'm done before market open. It works for every model, for every instrument. Just that I do trade this on gold and CL only. Yeah, guys. It's going to be very expensive, $0, 0 cents. So not everyone can afford this. So you're going to be special, guys. Yeah, it's going to be a straightforward model, like simple, very simple. I would say even beginner can trade this. Wasting of time. Okay, yeah, it's going to be extremely simple model. Guys, this is how I trade gold, and you saw my I share my executions many times on gold last week, the couple of weeks back. So you will be able to do this as well. So it's so simple. Today is Tuesday, right? Mm-hmm. Education must be free for everyone, in my opinion. So you don't need to pay for any courses. And for some magical reason, for the last 1 month on my Instagram, I receive many messages. How can I get your course? I mean, like, course? Where did you find this information? I never ever sell any courses. So model about gold and CL is going to be order block as well. So, I don't use fair value gaps. I use only order blocks, and it's going to be about order block. SPX, I don't use SPX for my trading. Like, I don't execute SPX, but I do analyze SPX. So because sometimes SPX helps me to understand where we can go, actually. For example, clearly we have all-time high, and all-time high on SPX, obvious target, right? I'm not profitable. Woohoo! Yeah. Why I'm still struggling this 5-minute OB, still trying to hold 50%. I mean, better to cry about this price action. Okay, CL. CL. CL looks good. So basically it respected my arrow. So I'm looking for standard deviation on CL. So basically would like to see, it's already offered 5-minute OB right here. So basically we got the closure above this done close candle. We need to go to 66.15. So as I said before, I'm bullish. Would like to see a higher to 66.15. It's not huge moves, like it's barely like 30 cents move, unfortunately. In time distortion order blocks, You know, of course, you can backtest this and you will see, because I cannot say like if order blocks works in distortion because I cannot know everything. It's impossible. But you can backtest this. I found best way to trade distortion is inversion fair value gap after we broke below distortion low. But I don't know about order block. It may work, but we need to break distortion anyway, distortion high and low. Without this, it doesn't make any sense. I think so. Yeah. So I would like to see 16 cents higher on, I'm sorry guys, on CL. NQ, a garbage price action. Gold just closed below 50% of order block, which is already not great sign. But once again, I don't really see, just for now, good setup for short on gold. Yeah, I will stay away. Looking for CL only, so I would like to see 66.15 as final target. So the question is, like scalp. Both setups just like 1 hour. There is no best instruments for beginners, unfortunately. You need to trade, don't trade in Q, that's what I want to say. But you need to try every instrument and you will see what will work for you, what is not going to work for you. I don't want to talk about NQ at all. I would like to see probably this long on CL. And like that's it. All I like is CL this morning. Like both my setups play out, so let's see if my third setup play out. So if you trade futures, you can trade Yebra if you want. Poor NQ. For Yebra, so basically it's going to be 6E if you want to trade Yebra. If you want to, I mean, there are different instruments. JP. Okay, what else? Just add 6 for futures to trade like Forex payers. I don't really look at this, honestly. But I believe, once again, candlesticks are the same everywhere. So I don't really like these flat candles, of course, but overall, like even right here, it's going to be models I'm going to explain on my new video. But overall idea, as you can see, we got sweep. We got sweep on forward chart. So we got 5-minute. Something wrong with my mouse recently, so it's lagging. We got 5-minute OB. Let me turn this off and then on again, because something definitely wrong with this. Like, for example, it's going to be models I'm going to explain, guys. So we got the closure, open of next candle, 2R. It's like example. So I don't, let me see. Hourly chart, about to offer sweep. Not sweep yet, just yet. If going to hold this OB, like I would short at the bottom of this water block. like this. If it's going to be a break below bottom of 5-minute OP, we look for short. I'm going to be done early today, so I'm not going to watch this garbage price action. Idea of this long on CL, basically continuation. So as you can see, we got early sweep right here, right? See this? So we got 5-minute OB. So obviously it was with displacement. If it wants to retrace down, I want to see retracement at least right here or right here never happened. Instead offer a pullback, closure above this done close candle. It's not really order block, it just pullback candle, right? Well, perfect, amazing. Continue going higher. So this means all I look for retracement is inside this range. That's why I put my arrow right here and continuation higher. So basically continuation of this sweep. Just huge displacement right here. It doesn't make any sense to me, since we already got another displacement right here to anticipate such a deep retracement. No reason for this. MES means micro ES. It's like on just 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Not best, but it is what it is. Once again, to scalp, okay, maybe it was hard to scalp NQ today. Maybe it was hard to scalp this. You're using M and Q. I also trade M and Q, so I'm not going to hide this because that's okay to talk about this. I'm not going to be saying like I'm so good in trading. I'm trading minis, like 5 minis now, like 5-7 micros. Hey, am I happy with this? Yes, because that's my accounts. I know how to manage risk, so I will do this then. Of course, I could trade minis on my, I don't know, like demo account and say like trade minis as well, blow account, use my code to get a reset or new evaluation, but I'm not going to do this. No, I'm about to divorce with NQ, and I'm really ready to do this. I'm not going to, guys. I'm not going to analyze NQ during a AM session as long as it's inside distortion. That's why, as you can see, most of the time I don't have NQ in my chart right now. Once again, I'm not saying it's not tradable. I said it's just hard for me. You can trade this. If you see setup, go for it. Never ever listen to anyone in the internet. If you see setup, you go for this, no matter what. If your model presented, you must execute this. Um, I would choose take profit trader or my funded futures if you just new to prop firm with prop firm trading. You never ever try this, but yes, it's less stress to trade on prop firms. So yeah, if I was new, I would start with prop firms with good rules to get payout, like a simple way to get funded. For example, it can be my funded futures. It can be take profit trader. Also, you can pick funded next futures because they have one-time evaluation fee. So basically, you need to pay just once and forget about this. So they will not charge you for the second month. I'm talking about funded next futures, and you need to pay activation fee. So it's, once again, if you prefer to pass your account slow and want to have just one time evaluation fee, you can go for funded next futures. Just I'm looking for like easy way to get payouts and be funded with company, so it can be probably once again. Oh, top step, of course, top step. So like you need to try every prop firm, so you need to pick that you're going to like. But I recommend probably my funded futures, top step. I forgot about this. Take profit trader and probably funded next futures. FIP settings for what? For what? For manipulation lag? Yeah, of course, it's not a problem if you want to see manipulation lag projections. Yeah, you're welcome. Any other questions, guys? I'm going to be done early, so once again, I will post new video about model, about, for example, models forward testing right now. What else I want to say? What else I want to say? I don't know. Oh, not ready to go. No, I will sit with you maybe next 20 minutes. But trust me, NQ will do absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Probably. Hmm. For NQ, recently I used, for example, here's 2-minute models that I'm highlighted on my screen right now. It's 9 a.m. hourly power of 3. 9 a.m. Right here is NQ. Here's oil. Yeah, it's CL. You should see this right here. Upper left corner. We stuck inside fair value gap. You're right about this. Also, we got reclaimed probably fair value gap. But anyway, let's see. Going to extend this right now. And I would like to see what is going on at 50% of this fair value gap. Oh, we just touched this, so okay. I wouldn't say something significant happened. We barely touched this just for now. Yeah, that's oil. That's CL chart, exactly. On CL, you can use projections, and CL works so nice with projections. 4 standard deviation, 5 standard deviation, or you can use water blocks and fair value gaps. That's it. Oh yeah. You know, so happy last 10 trading days I took 0 losses. Like, finally. And all my winning trades were taken, yeah, during PM session on Q or gold or CL. But so happy, like last 10 trading days that I traded, actually, I took 0 losses. So I'm so happy with this. Like, good for me, because lots of IM sessions I got losing trade. It was small losing trades. I was trying to trade consolidation on NQ, but it was ugly. So happy. And by the way, I blew 0 accounts. 0 accounts this year. 0 accounts. So, like, proud of myself. Because when I see its consolidation, and just from my bad personal experience, I lose every single time inside consolidation. That's why I was like sitting, was sitting like, hmm. If you keep saying like NQ is garbage consolidation, nothing is going to change. It's going to be consolidation, garbage, and shit anyway. Even if you keep saying this, what should you do? Dasha, what do you need to do with this? Just do something else. Stop watching how candlesticks moves. Trade something else. I already said this on my Twitter, so. Guys, I have zero FOMO and I'm happy I don't have any FOMO like at all. And I never chase. I'm so annoying. It's sometimes annoying because I see it and I simply like I'm wait for setup and that's it. No matter what is going on my chart, if no setup, I'm not going to take this. No FOMO, like never ever. If I see model, I execute this. That's it. And I'm proud of myself because I can follow these rules, no matter what. Yeah, I don't trade minis, so I do trade minis when it's small stop loss, but most of the time I don't trade minis and no complaints about this. So I can get like $15 on gold. I'm not sure if it's a lot or not, but for me it's not that hard. I trade with 5 micros, so I'm happy with $600, $700 profit on each account. Yeah, I know lots of people share like thousands of dollars profit for the day. I mean, that's nice, but I think it's that a lot. I have base hit, even if it's going to be just $300, I will be happy to see this. But yeah, payouts, yes. Yes, I just don't love to share this. I even realized when I have loss, like if I want to compare what was last year, for example, after loss, I could go and like, I'm going to be honest with you, I could go and cry about this. Like, it's loss, what I need to do with this, so annoying. But right now, if it's loss, I'm like, okay. I don't even think about this after I close my computer. Like, loss? Loss, okay. I'm not going to cry about this anymore. I absolutely don't care about this. I follow my plan, it loss. Maybe next time it's going to be win. So I'm happy like this psychology I know like what helped me, but I'm so happy it something helped me. Like I don't think about my losses anymore. I have zero interest in recovering these losses. Like loss is loss. So happy to follow my rules and happy with this performance. Okay, last check of NQ. At least something. At least something. Why I'm broke above 5-minute OP? That's okay. NQ slowly going higher. And ES needs to go to New York midnight open. It's $5 higher. So I'm not interested in ES. Because I know if I want to trade consolidation, like I'm not going to like set my brain for loss immediately, but I know based on my losses, which I journal every single time, it's inside consolidation. Just I know myself. Barrett, I just were for a while you get just stuck right now. Nothing is going on. Yeah, that's garbage. What time is this? 10:49. Okay, 10:50 just to see how macro is going on. How would you frame gold short? Honestly, I did not expect to see like huge drop today on short, on gold. So what level you would like to aim for? So it's question. I wasn't that bearish on gold. I mean, maybe for inversion fair value gap to test, that's it. So I don't see like targets lower on gold, honestly. I don't know how to frame stuff for short, honestly. Once again, maybe target is going to be test of our inversion. That's it. What else? I wasn't bearish on gold today, so maybe this area. At least it's going to be good support. But kind of, I don't know, like about lower, possibly. But once again, I wasn't bearish today on gold. Like a test of inversion. That's it. See this lots of failure swings. They build in this low resistance liquidity. Probably it will drop hard later this week. Crazy. Yeah, on gold. Like a far inversion fair value gap, maybe. Retest. I already said I wasn't not bearish on gold. By the way, giveaway is going to be on Thursday. We'll do TradeDeFi giveaway. Yeah. Hope you're going to enjoy this. I don't know, guys. Probably done because I don't see any reason of trading AM session. We'll probably trade PM session just for 2 hours. Absolutely nothing happened. It's wasting of time. I will spend my time on something more useful. No more giveaways to scam. Agree with you. But once again, don't make stupid mistakes. We'll do more giveaways next week. One giveaway this week. We'll announce winners for TradeZella today. We'll record new video about how I trade gold and CL, especially for pre-market. What else? That's it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.